Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about TQQQ or Proshares Ultrapro Qqq. I have been updating about this ETF very consistently, I would rather say, because after a big correction this is very near to its long-term support and you can consider this as your big buying opportunity rather than stock is or this particular ETF is falling down. So let us discuss about the opportunity in Proshares Ultrapro Qqq or TQQQ. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now when the trend is simple and you can clearly see what's happening, you just need to go along with that. Do not try to become oversensitive or overthinking about anything else which you can't understand and you spent hours on that. And if you can clearly see something which is very clear and easy to relate and you simply neglect it because this is too simple, so this is not the way to do that. Anyways, if you are looking at the weekly chart of Proshares Ultrapro Qqq, you can see the end is very near as far as the lower end of the range is concerned. So you have your big support of 19.38 and stop loss of 16.9 or $17 on the downside. But let me tell you one thing as far as the trend is concerned, because we are talking about a trend, so you better be informed about the level which is 16.9, which is your stop loss for the time being, because if it falls below that, there is nothing to be afraid as far as averaging this thing is concerned. But you better know your levels, because this is not a stock that it keeps on falling down and it will not recover. It will definitely recover along with the market. So as soon as the market correction is over, you will see ETFs will bounce back quite comfortably. And if it is a basket, if it is not specific to any particular sector, then those are the ones which will perform better. So if it falls below 16.9, then you will be ready for 8.26 and 7.53, which is your next support, or I would rather say your buying zone on the downside. But from the top it has already corrected, I think 70%, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 75% to be precise. So that's a huge correction that has happened, and if it falls towards or above or in between 16.9 and 19.3, obviously this will definitely give you a good opportunity to enter as far as the long term chart of Proshares Ultrapro Qqq or TQQQ is concerned. And if you move along with this and try to look at the long term target, which you can see as far as the big trend is concerned, the levels are very simple. As I told you, things which look simple in the stock market, chances are they are indeed simple, where you need not to do anything or think anything extraordinary. So what lies ahead as far as the big trend is concerned on the upside after the correction is the question. And for that the answer is very simple, because the target that we are looking at as far as the upper end of the range is in between $90 and $180 in the upcoming months and years. So this is what we are looking at as far as the long term chart of Proshares Ultrapro Qqq or TQQQ is concerned. I will keep on making some updated videos on this moving forward as well, so you can get a better update as far as the long term chart of TQQQ is concerned. So this is one of the opportunity which one must not miss. And we have seen in the past, after such a correction, we have seen humongous move that this particular ETF has given over a period of time. And from the lows of 2009 or 2010, this has been a big multi-bagger. There is no denial in that. So do not, you may love it, you may hate it, but you can't ignore that. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.